Which one is correct? Do money or make money? What about this one? Do a business or make a business? Egaa make fi doon kun xiqqoo jechoota confuse nama godhanidha. Bitaa warra namatti galanidha. So make kanneen eenyufa wajjin fayyadamna? Do ammoo eenyufa wajjin fayyadamna kan jedhu irratti viidiyoo baay'ee gabaabduu fi bareedduu ta'e kanas siif qabadhee dhiyaadhee hanga dhumaatti nu wajjin tura. A brighter future we have found. So make and do are a bit confusing, like what I said in the beginning. So make means, is related with creating, producing, and building something. Okay, wanta katiko kalaqii wajjin waa uumuu wajjin wal qabateedha creating kun maali making kun jechuudha. For example, say make a cake. You just produce it. That means you make it. Can you make some coffee? Say like cook, make. We can use interchangeably. And when we come to do is related to performing an action. Performing a task and a responsibility or job. Okay, I do my job. For example, I do my homework. Make homework. Hojimana make do. Sport. I say I do sport. I don't say make sport. I do sport. You did a great job. You make a great job. So job yojin, we use do. We don't use make. Wabilchesu, watolchu, money, malak, generate gochu. Kani wajol kabati mo make fayyadamna jechuudha. Me tartiban jechoota kanniin halalu. Tokko hiikan sanii making tunis hojjechuu tolchuu waan ta'eef xiqqootti dhiyaata. Kanaafuu jechoota kam make wajjin fayyadamna isaan kam ammoo do wajjin fayyadamna kan jedhu adduma hirree yoonif haffasnee sammuutti qabanne irra wayyaadha. Clear cut kan ta'e garaagarummaan isa inni kun garaagarummaa isa kanaati kun ammoo kan wajjin qofa deema jennee kan tartiibaan adda keenyu waan hin qabaanneef jechuudha. So look, for example, we use these words with make. Say make a cake, like what I said earlier. Make a meal. Okay, meal jechuun nyaata jechuudha. Nyaata tolchuu bilcheessuu make. Okay, make a decision. Murtoo kennuu murteessuu. Make a decision. Okay, don't sit on the fence. Don't sit on the fence jechuun yaada lamaa hin okkoliin jechuudha. So don't sit on the fence. Make a decision. This is a very critical issue, and then make a decision. So it's a make. Okay, decide jechuudha. Make a plan. Okay, plan is make jenna do a plan jenna jechuudha. So make a plan. Have a plan. Produce a plan. Akkuma isin jedhe making xiqqoo waa uumuu waa kalaquu wajjin deemu waan ta'eef. So make a mistake. Oh, that's my mistake. That's my bad. I've made a mistake. Lalas, I've made a mistake. Okay, that's my mistake. That's my bad linjen. My bad jechuun badaa kiyya osoo hin taane rakkoo kiyya badii kiyya dogoggora kiyya jechuudhaaf. Make a mistake. Make money, very common. Business so they do business jenna. For a business we say do. Okay, do a business. But for money it is make. Do you want to make more money? Do you want to know how to make money? Okay, make money. Malak hojjechuu, malak generate gochuu. Make a phone call. Make a phone call. Bilbili. Okay, he's making a phone call. Bilbilaara. Make a phone call. Make friends. Saahiban horachuu. Okay, hiriyaa godhachuu. Make friend. Okay, are you any good at making a friend? Okay, hiriyoota godhachuutti hiriyaa uummachuutti harii fidayaati. Okay, are you any good look here. Are you any good at making a friend? Okay. Good. So isaan kanniin make wajjin itti fayyadamna jechuudha. Isaan kunniin they're very active kind of words that we use every day. Kanaafuu isaan kanniin at least adda baafnee make wajjin akka deeman beekni sammuutti qabachuun Ingiliffa konfidensiidhaan akka haasofnu godha jechuudha. Rakkoon Ingiliffa akka hin haasofne nu godhu kaniif immoo akka sodaannu nu godhu koo wantoota kanniin tartiibaan beekuu dhabuudha. Beekna yoo ta'e ammoo konfidensiitiin itti buunee sirriitti haasa'uu dandeenya jechuudha. Yooniif immoo yoo hunda confusionii keessa jiraanna ta'e it will be hard for us to speak perfectly. That our word is related to make. And the second one, dhumarramoo activity qaba. Video kana akkuma xumurtaniin hojii kutaa qaba jechuudha. Kanaafuu ishee lakka osoo hojii akka hin deemne. So these are words that go with do. Do, for example, as you know, we say do homework. Do homework. Hojimana hojjechu. Do an assignment. What are you doing? I'm doing my assignment. What are you doing? I'm doing my homework. Okay. Hojimana kan barnoota hojimana anta ndagana hojimana keessas like making different kind of things if you're helping inside the house, that's doing homework. Okay. Lamani funta. Hojimana mana qulqulleessuu mana sirreessuu maamis do homework. Hojimana barnoota kanneen hojjechuunis it's do homework the same. Do housework. Okay, like what I told you. Do the dishes. Okay, do the dishes. Sayonariko. Do the dishes. What are you doing? I'm doing the dishes. Sirreessa anjira, dikanjira manam. And do exercise. Okay, do exercise, physical exercise. Do sport. Yeah. What are you doing? I am doing sport. Sporty. New generally do go normally making go make. Now we do sport. This one. Do a business. Money home algona. Make money. Okay. Are you any good at making money? Make money. Malaka. Malgona. Make gona. Okay. Make. Money. Make money. Like look, say make money. Here, do business. Okay. Are you good at doing a business? Do a job. You did a great job. Okay. Do job your gender mature. Do a research. He's a researcher. He's doing a research. He's done a lot of research work. So do research. Do the shopping. Okay. Do the shopping. Wabitu mishale adda bitu. So shopping. And I go shopping. Between them mature. Okay. I go shopping. Okay. I go shopping. So these are words that go with do. It's very simple. Isaan kanneen guyyaa guyyaa wanta irratti itti fayyadamnu waan ta'aniif garaagarummaa isaanii sirriitti baasnee beekuun it will help us to have a good confidence in using English language, either to speak or to write. Okay. Yoonif ammoo yeroon isaa darbaate isa duu jedhu kana maal goone jechuudha? Did goone jechuudha. Okay. So yesterday I did my homework, I did my housework, I did the dishes. Okay, I did physical exercise yesterday. I did exercise. I did physical exercise. I did business. I did a job. Past the auto jechuudha. Isaan kanniinis akkasuma make your tan kanniinis godheen ture keekii godheen ture galeessa jechuudhaaf maal goona? Made. Okay, made a cake. I made a cake. Made a cake. Okay, made a meal. I made a decision. I made a really bad decision yesterday, and that the impact is, like hurting me now. Okay, made a plan. I had a very nice plan. I made a plan. I made a plan. Go into the truth, So things you want, you know it, and you use with this one. So what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm making cake. What are you doing? I'm making cake. yoo haasofnu am hin jennu. Am jenna I'm making cake. I'm making cake. Making cake. Okay. So it's like very simple, things you want kanneen haala sanii jala goonee itti fayyadamuu dandeenya. Make, making, made. Dulleewwan akkasumatti jechuudha. Doing, did goonee itti haasa'uu hin dandeenye jechuudha. Okay. You can pause this video and talk about mi'a kana godha. Video kana dhaabaati wanta is make gootan. Kaleessa wanta made gootan. If you wanta did gootan wanta sadii mi'aasaa. For example, if you take me yesterday, I played basketball, so I did sport. I did my homework, and I did some shopping. Yeah, I did some shopping. One thing make good more. I made tea, and also I made coffee. I love coffee, so I made coffee. I made some money. I made, So what about you? Okay, what things have you made and what things have you done? Isaan kanneen sadii mee barreessuu yaalaa ofii keessa wajjin haasa'uu yaalaa. Okay, the last one is an activity. Okay, ammasitti haalan isin barsiise kanaan haala diskas goone kanaan maal gootu bakka duwwaa kanneenitti yookaaniif meekii galchitu yookaaf ammoo duu galchitu jechuudha. Do or make bakka duwwaa kanneenitti jechuudha. For example, I always blank space my homework after school. So kam ta'e jechuudha deebiinsa. Always I do my homework. Okay, so you go for number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isaan kanneeniif mee viidiyoo kana dhaabati bakka duwwaatti guuta. Ani garuu waan hanga dhumatti viidiyoo kan ilaaltaniif guddaa galatoomaa jechuun barbaada. Have a nice time.
A brighter future we have.